In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your first blog and start posting to it. When you go to blogger.com, you're going to want to make sure that you are signed in with your school Google account, so the full email. If you're logged into a Chromebook, it'll probably already log you in, so that don't need to worry about that. Once you're here, if you've never created a blog, it'll look a lot like this. If you have created a blog, you'll see it in the drop-down menu over here. You either need to just create a new blog for this example, or create a new blog here. Those will do the same thing. When you create a blog, you're going to create a title and an address, and then pick a theme. The title doesn't need to be unique, so I could call it like Ainley blog, Ainley tech blog 2020, or maybe 2019, 2020 for this school year. And the address needs to be something without spaces, and I think it will complain about that. So maybe I try what I just wrote, Ainley Tech Blog 2019, 2020. And it'll tell you if it's available or not. So if I click away from it, blog address is available. If you just do tech blog or something else, it will warn you that that's probably not available. So sorry, this blog address is not available. So you do have to pick something that has no spaces, that is unique into the whole world. So if you need to add numbers to it or something, go ahead and do that. You can pick a theme here. You can also change this later, so it's not that big of a deal. I'll just pick this one as an example, and you click Create Blog. They ask if you want to buy a domain. You can click No Thanks. And here is the main interface. You'll notice there's lots of settings and stuff. We can ignore most of it. The one you may want to look at is in Settings, Privacy, Visible to Search Engines. If you don't want this to be available to the whole world, you can turn that off. So let search engines find your blog, just click No. If you don't care, or you want it, you may have more spam issues if you say yes, but right now we're just using this for school, so I would probably default to no, but it probably doesn't matter in the long run. Whether you click yes or no, I would assume everything you write here is public, so don't write anything that you wouldn't want the whole world to know. Don't post a picture that you wouldn't want the whole world to see, so just keep that in mind as you're posting. Once you're ready to start posting, it's a lot like email. It's a lot like Gmail, just writing a post. There's lots of text documents. We'll click New Post, and you'll see it looks a whole lot like Google Docs, or a very simple version of Google Docs. So we've got some font options. We've got colors. We have a way to insert links, images, and movies. I would encourage you to not just write paragraphs, but actually add photos, add videos and images, and just make it more interesting. Think about what you'd want to see in a blog and what you'd be interested in reading, and make yours look like that. Up here will be the post title. So maybe this will be Week 1 update. And then you can start writing. So this week and then you can continue writing, and I won't pretend to write a whole post for you. You can hit save, and that saves it as a draft. It's not published onto the internet yet. If I hit preview, then you can see this is what it kind of looks like with the current theme. This week comments. It's kind of boring because I haven't done a whole lot with it. If I hit publish, then that'll actually post it to the world. And so that's going to be how people are going to see it. If you just hit save, then no one's going to be able to see it but you. You can even close this, and you'll see you have a draft here of an update. Mr. Ainley, blah, 0 views, da, da, da. If I click on it, keep editing it, and I can hit publish to actually post it to the world. And so now it says updated. I can keep editing it, and when you do edit it, make sure that you click update again to repost the new one. And then if we want to like view blog, Ainley Tech Blog, Week 1, update, this week So right now I have a very boring blog because I haven't done anything with it, but this is the start. You can see exactly what to do and go from there. So here's posts. If I want to make a new post, so next week, it'll be the exact same thing. I just created a new Week 2 update, or whatever we decide we're going to add it. All right. Thanks for watching.